This is Mountain Everest base camp. It's about 5,000 meters here. Let's see around. In front of me, it's Mountain Everest. We cannot see very clear. Let me turn on the infrared torch. So we can see the stars and also the sign here, Rombu Monastery. Yep, Rombu Monastery. This is a P1. Very good. You can see very clear in very dark corner. See? All the Tibetan's house and the guest house. All the lights from the guest house and the restaurant. This is the base camp of Mountain Everest. This is PG2. In front of me is Mountain Everest. Today is not cloudy, so we can see the stars, and it's very beautiful. PG2 is very nice, better than P1 and P4. So this is the sign, the Rombu Monastery, and this is the base camp of Mountain Everest. Tibetan houses, and this is the Tibetan guest house. Yep, that's it. Also the restaurant. This is the PJ2.